Namaste and welcome everyone to our HEMA Foundation. Today's session is going to be really interesting because it is something that I believe in the most. It is about cultural values. When my children were born and they started going to school and so on, there is one thing I told them. I told them that no matter what, I don't concern so much about your studies, your marks, but you have to make sure that our culture is ingrained in you. You should respect the elders and love the young ones. So that's what my children do, and I'm blessed to have them because our cultural values have gone from generation to generation to generation and are ingrained in them. So here I present to you today a beautiful session where we are going to not only learn how to ingrain the cultural value with technology, but at the same time, when we embed both these together, we are going to make sure that you end up learning something new, something that is useful to you, and something that will upskill you. Okay, so let us start today's session where I am going to teach you something called as Google Slides. Before we go ahead, I want to tell you why am I teaching you. Alright, so now let us say that I am a teacher of Standard 6A, okay, and Pooja is a teacher of Standard 6B, and the principal has told both of us to make the same PowerPoint presentation. So usually what will I do? I will make a PowerPoint presentation, okay, I will save it, then I will upload it on the email, I will send it to Pooja, then Pooja will download it, and then she will make the changes. Then after she has made the changes, she will save it. Then after that, Pooja will upload it on the email. Then she will send it back to me. Again, I will download it. And oh my God, it's a big circle. Alright? But usually what happens is when we do collaborative working, as in when we are using something like Google Slides, Google Docs, or anything, like Google Keep. I have also taught you Google Sheets. Then what will happen is both of us are collaboratively working on one single presentation. So wherever in the world Pooja is and wherever in the world I am, we both can work on the same presentation at the same point of time. Alright, so let us quickly start our Google Slides learning, where I'm going to make sure that you learn something new, at the same time something relevant which the current world needs. So as we go to Google, on the top right side you can see these 9 dots. Now do you know Google has given us so many useful apps that are helpful to us in our day-to-day life. Simple, just scroll down, you will see the different apps that Google has given us. I want to teach you today is Slides. Now when you click on Slides, I want to show you that the different Google Slides, these are the slides as in the presentations that I have already made. Now in case you are new to Google Slide, then this will be blank, okay? Again, I want to show you the template gallery. It is pretty interesting. Now when you click on the template gallery, there are ready templates given by Google which are wonderfully useful to you. Okay, now let us say you want to start from scratch, okay, and want to make your own PowerPoint presentation but on Google Slides. So here what we do, click on blank. Now when you click on blank, it is simple, like how we have done before, okay, your presentation slide opens up. On the right side over here, you can see that there are already different themes given which you can choose depending on the theme you would like to. Okay, now let's say I write over here that I want to do a theme on our culture. Alright, now this is what I want to do, a subtitle, let's say by Vidushi Daga. Okay, simple. Now I want to add a certain theme, so I choose this. Okay, can you see automatically the theme has changed? Now please pay attention everyone. If you want to add a new slide, is right from here. You can see the different slides that are there. Whether it is a blank slide, whether it is a title column, and so on and so forth. Okay. Also, if you wish to change the color of the background, now see this is purple or a dark blue. I want to change the color to, let's say, a lemon orange. Can you see? I have changed the color to orange color. Now if I want to change it to some other color, okay, this one. I think this looks nice. Okay, so see, I have changed the color. Another thing is the layout. I can also change the layout depending on the scheme that is there. Now in case you want to choose any different theme, you can again choose it right from here. Alright, and last but not the least is transition. But transition happen on different slides. So let me show you how to add a slide. I will go here. I will add a slide, whichever one is useful. Let's say I take a blank slide. Okay. Again, I can change the background of the slide from white to, let's say, a yellow. Alright. And now I'm teaching you how to insert an image. Go to insert, click on image, upload from computer, and there you go over here. Click it and insert. Clear? Now you can move the image, make it big, small, and so on. Alright? Now similarly, you can add different images and also add text. Very easy. Just click here, click on the text box, and then just write a happy word or the way you wish to. You can increase the font size, style, and so on. Okay everybody, so this is how you create a Google slide. Now most important, I want you to explore these tools here where you can edit, okay, different things. You can also view. So I'm going to teach you how to present this slide. You can insert different things, like how I have inserted an image and a text box. You can insert some audio, you can add some video, some shapes. You can also add any kind of table or charts and whatnot. Okay. Also what I want to teach you is how do you add different things, like you can add different slides. Okay. Best part is, again, you can do voice typing. Over here, let's say you need to type any notes or any speaker notes. Simply just click over here and a mic will open, and then you can just start talking and it will start typing. Can you see over here? It has already started typing. Okay. So this is how the voice typing is also used. Alright. Now let's say I have made 2 slides. Okay. Similarly, I will just add few more slides to make it little interesting. So let me change the background color to orange. Okay. Let me quickly insert one more image and an image on cultural values. I've indented it. Okay, I'm teaching you how to add transition. Very simple. You go here, go on transition, and then you can choose the transition, whether you want it to dissolve, you want it to flip, you want a cube. Let's say I just want a cube. Okay, and then I can say apply it to all slides. I can also control the pace. Okay, after I finish adding transitions, etc., I'm going to teach you how to present. Okay, how do you show this Google slides to your audience? Very simple. Top right side, start presentation, and there you go, your presentation will start. Alright everybody, simple. Now before we go ahead, 2 things. First, don't forget to give a name to your presentation. Alright, and last, remember to share it. Now if you want to share it, remember I told you I want to share it with Pooja, who is my co-teacher, and make sure we are working on the same presentation. Now when I share it with a friend, for example, I share it with Sudarshan, there are three things. If I give only viewer rights, then he will not be able to do any kind of edits. If I give commenter rights, then he can just comment, okay, change this, Vidushi, change this. But if I give editor rights and press send, then Sudarshan and me can work on the same presentation at the same point of time. Alright, so this is how Google Slides work. It is very interesting, and trust me, wherever you are in the world, okay, you can get access. So even if you have the oldest of computers, and wherever you are in the world, you just have to go sign into your Google account, go to Google Slides, and you will have access to your Google presentation slide that you have made, and you can present it there and then. So no headache of saving it or putting it on the pen drive and carrying the pen drive everywhere, or any sort of hassles. So this is all about Google Slides. I want you to practice, because remember, practice makes a man perfect. Alright? So make sure you all are learning our culture well, ingraining the culture in you, at the same time integrating technology, the good part of technology, along with your cultural values. So this is me, Vidushi Daga, signing off, and take care.